This lighter is not working. I can push the button, but it's not clicking like it's used to. Let's try to fix it. First, I'm going to open the lighter. Let's remove this. I can push it down, but it's not clicking. So the problem is with the piezoelectric spark generator. I'm going to take it out. So it's faulty. I have to replace it. I'm going to cut this off. You can get this from an old lighter. I'm going to take the spark generator from this lighter. It only cost 10-15 rupees. Or you can get it from an old lighter. Make sure the spark generator is working. This is it. I'm going to connect it like this. I'm going to remove some insulation. I'm going to connect it using a copper wire and add a heat shrink tube. You can use insulation tape. Insert the heat shrink tube. Connect this wire to the bottom like this and insert that cap and insert it back like this. Move this part back into the place. That part let the gas out. So let's test it. See, it's working. Perfect. Screw back in. Good as new. Thank you for watching my video, friends. Like, share, subscribe and enable the bell icon if you like the video.